evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. How'd it go? So today we are going to do a DIY at home nail whatever with Gershion Polygel Kit from Amazon. I will link everything down in the description box below. So it comes with a small thank you card, a nail applicator brush. It's pretty flat. The cord for the LED lamp. It's a small LED lamp. Actually looked bigger on the picture and on Amazon, but it's fine, whatever. And then it's a little press where you can turn it on and off. That's where you put the cord, and I just use my little box for my phone. Comes with a top and base coat, a 180 file. Now we get out the top and base. Nail forms. I think it comes with 50 nail forms. The instructions manual. I didn't actually read it. I watched videos. I will link those videos as well. It comes with a fluffy brush. 39, 43, and 58 are the colors. Okay, so now I'm going to prep my nails with this Manicure Kit that I also got from Amazon. Pushing back my cuticles and everything, cleaning them up. And if I am out of frame, I completely apologize because I'm doing this by myself. So yeah, just bear with me being in and out of frame on this. Okay, so while we prep, I just want to say that when I got this, it kind of had a little strong scent, but not as strong as it's like acrylic, but yeah, and it's not as strong as acrylic when you actually do it. And now I'm just like filing my nails, and I put on the base coat before I start building my nails. And then I put it in the under the lamp for 30 seconds. Tap it. It was a little tacky. Now I'm putting on the nail form. This is actually not my first time putting on a nail form. I did my nails myself before with acrylic. I maybe insert a little photo in that I did before with my nails. But this is actually my first time doing polygel. So these are how the colors look. Going to do the number 39, that pinky nudish color. So I'm starting to build up my nails. I did the middle, actually put on a lot. This is my first time. I don't know, I had high expectations for myself. It kind of went okay, but you know, first time for everything. Practice makes perfect. And yeah, so I cured that for like 30 seconds. And I also use 50% alcohol, which you're not supposed to because that's all I could find. Then I found out that we had 70% alcohol after I was done with the majority of my hands, or maybe like 3 days afterwards. So now I'm just like building up my nail, making sure, I don't know, like it actually looks like in the salon. It's like a consistency of like glue, or maybe a little thicker. So like I have to like cure the first coat that I did, and then like keep building like that. Also the LED light, that's how it looks after the first build. Yeah, back to the LED light. I did not know that the LED light, like, it's built in for like 60 seconds a minute. So I didn't have to like count to 30 or 60 seconds like I did like the first time. So it actually cuts off after 60 seconds, if you wanted to know that. Okay, so this is how it looks after I build up the nail. I'm taking off the nail form and I'm going to file it and everything into the shape that I like. Maybe a little bumpy, but you know, I could file all of that out with filing. Yeah, like I said, but you know, practice makes perfect. Once you keep doing it, it will get better. Okay, so this is how it looks after I filed it and everything. Now I'm going to take the brush and dust it off, and then I just went off camera, did my right hand. Now I'm going to do my left hand, and I'm just going to stop talking and just let you watch and enjoy. Alright, y'all, so this is a part where I try to get a little adventurous and try put on glitter, try do a little ombre glitter or something, whatever. But I didn't like it, so it's not gonna be the final outcome, but I'll just let you watch me do it anyway. Alright, so this is the part where I tried to like encapsulate the glitter. I don't know, make it not look so blunt. I don't know. I was just experimenting, so alright, so these are how the nails look after everything was done, before I started filing and everything. So now I'm going to polish. I'm going to take the color 316 from Beetle's gel polish, you know. Going to do that little, I don't know what it is they call it, but I kind of like it, so I wanted to try it. Yeah, so I'm going to do that finger, and then I'm going to put the white on the pointed finger, and then put a nude on the middle finger. But yeah, you'll see all of that, so just watch me work. I'll be quiet, for real this time. Alright, so this is the final look after everything was done. All my cuticles and everything, did the thumb, and I think I did pretty good for my first time with Polygel. It didn't come out how I kind of pictured it, but it still looks kind of good. Then like 3 days I decided that I didn't like it, so I wanted to change it, and then the next video will be what I changed it to. And I got jewels from Amazon, so everything will be listed down in the description box below. After this whole quarantine, COVID-19, whatever, we're gonna learn how to do all type of stuff. But yeah guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.